everyone, here we go again. Another day of finding rubbish, but who cares? It's Sunday morning, it's just gone 6:15 and it's a bit nippy, but we don't care. Just having a brew. And I've got a new piece of equipment to show you. Oh, look at that there. You see it? There you go. It's a mini walking stick. Yeah, look, you can see it next to me, spade size of it. And I need it for getting up off the bloody floor. I can't get up. Well, I can get up, but it bloody hurts, so. But I feel a bit guilty really, because I don't like saying this, but I had to mug a midget to get this little walking stick. Anyway, before any of you start saying you krill bugger, no, I didn't. It was a bigger one, I cut the end off. But it just helps me get off the floor, that's all it's for. Hey, now I'm bleeding falling to bits. Right, anyway, I'll turn you off. I'll just finish my brew, here's my brew, and then we'll get started. All that lead's waiting for us. Right, catch you in a bit. Well, would you believe it? I haven't cleaned it yet, but that looks suspiciously like a buckle. Hey. And it certainly is. There we go again. A nice little buckle. First signal. That's not bad, is it? Right, carry on, eh? You're not going to believe me, are you? But what's that look like to you? Right, let's get it out. Only horse buckle and all that, but so I've had a buckle, a piece of lead, a buckle. I don't mind if it carries on like that. I don't mind digging the odd piece of lead. Right, let's buckle along. Catch you in a minute. Right, I was getting a mixed signal there. I was getting a good signal and a crappy signal, like an iron signal, and that's why. It was round, that was the good signal, and it was iron, that was the bad signal. So I couldn't make its mind up, so it made me bloody dig it, didn't it? Anyway, that'll do, I suppose. Catch you in a bit. Right, this was coming in 83, 84. More on the 83 side, which is normally a coin with the 400. But you know what I'm like on live digs, so let's have a look. Oh, hang on. Just there. If this is a coin, this will be the first time I've done a live dig and it's been true. Let's have a look. I just hit something then. Well, it's out. Oh well, it's a coin. First live dig I've done, and it's been right. And it's Eddie halfpenny. I don't know what I'm trying to find a date for. I won't be able to bloody see it as normal. Let me see it. Let's have a look. you see it. Anyway, it's a coin. It's King Edward's. Right, I'm happy now. 2 buckles and a coin, and a live dig, and it was a bloody coin. Love it. Catch you in a bit. Right, Tom's tip for you. If you've gone over a patch before, you've had some finds and all that, and then you think, oh, that's it, it's had it. What you want to do, if you've got one, put a sniper coil on and go over the same patch again. Because what happens when you put the smaller coil on, it's a bit psychological. You take small steps, you know, you put like 1 foot in front of the other. You don't sort of stride along. You tend to have your coil closer to the ground for the same reason. You think it's a small coil, you'll have to get it closer to the ground, and you walk slower. So you walk slower, you take shorter steps, you have the coil closer to the ground, and you pick up them stuff that you miss with the bigger coil. And what I've done this morning when I got here, there was dew on the ground. So I thought, well, I've done this before. Only reason I stayed here is the cows were out the top end. I thought I'll just do this patch here close to the gate so I can do a runner. But if you look here now, they're starting to dry out a bit. Can you see where I've walked down here? I mean, it looked like it was pissed, like, but you know. And then what I do, I turn round. Well, actually, I come back this way. You can't see, the others are starting to dry out a bit. You can just about see this one here. And over there. So use it, if you've got dew on the ground, use it as like a grid system. You know, where you've been, and just go up and down. So that's just a tip. Put a small coil on, sniper coil or something like that. I know it's a bit of pain in the ass, you know, you want to get on and find stuff, but you'll find stuff with a smaller coil. Just take your time, nice and slow. Right, anyway, I'm boring you now, I better piss off, go. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Well, that was a strange one. Come in at 92 now. That's a button. Nothing special about it, but it was just strange it coming in that high. Never mind, let's carry on. Right, well, it's had to happen, didn't it? What do you think that is? Go on, I'll give you a guess. It's a buckle. Just like that one before. We've got 2 of them now. Let's carry on, eh? I'm chancing my luck here. In the cloth here, I'm getting 83, 84, like before, but it doesn't sound as sweet. But it could be another coin. Well, let's just have a little look. God. Hang on. Let's get the old spade on it. Break it up a bit. Well, would you believe it? Look at that. A piece of alley. Told you it was the same, near enough the same as before with the coin, but it just wasn't as sweet, just slightly different. Anyway, I'm boring, you know. Let's carry on. Well, I've had some little spoons in my time. Well, look at the size of that. That's tiny, that. I mean, look at the thickness of the handle on it. Nice little spoon, isn't it? Let's carry on. I've got a little party fact. Party fact. I haven't got a freaking clue what it is. At first I didn't see that bit. Yeah. I just seen that and I thought, oh, it's for covering a lock. And then I seen that piece, so I don't know. Any suggestions? Put it on a postcard and send it to me. Oh well. I won't give in, you know, because the last time I was out I found 3 bottles and a halfpenny, didn't I? And what I found today, 3 bottles and a halfpenny. So one another penny, or another coin, or another bottle, and then I'll give in. Right, catches in a bit. Right, still no coin or buckle, but just heading back now to the car. Got about 150 yards. I just found that, and I thought, oh yeah, that's a big bullet. See it round on the top. Oh. I'm trying to stay out this wind, it's getting a bit windy. But if you look there, that to me is like a metal piece in the middle. So that could have been some sort of weight, you know, with a hook on there to hang on something. I don't know. I say I don't think it's a bullet now. We're not with that being never seen. No, but I don't know. What do you reckon? Anyway, a mystery object. It's lead, by the way. Right. I'll catch you in a bit. If I find anything in this next 150 yards or whatever. Right, see you in a bit. Right, I think I can go now, lads and lasses. I think. Yeah, it's a bit warm, but it's a penny. Let's see if we can see what it is. I'm saying let's see if we can see what it is. I've got no bleeding glasses on. Not sure. Hang on. I think it's yours the 5th. What is it? Well, it's a coin. Definitely a coin. Got about 50 yards left and I made it. I don't know, can you make that out? Is it George the 5th? It looks like he's got hair. Might be George the 6th then. I don't know. Right. If you don't see me in the next couple of minutes, I've gone. Okay, thanks for watching everyone, really appreciate it, you know that, and your comments and all that. And I'll see you when I see you. Take care. Ta-ra for now. Right, I just thought to do this. I don't normally show you all this stuff, but there's all half decent finds. And that's it. A few buttons, 3 buttons, 2 coins, 3 bottles, and party facts and a part of the spoon. And, but just to prove, I do find shite as well. And look at all them tiny bits here. Moo tubes, little pieces of rods and bleeding big lumps of lime, coke, 3 pieces of coke, iron ring, lump of lead. So I do find shite as well. It's just that I don't normally bother showing you. But this is just to any doubters who think, oh, you never see him find rubbish, or bleeding do. Right, that's it. Oh, listen, go on the bloody bin now. I'll catch you all soon. Alright, thanks for watching, and ta-ra for now.